Who be that fine lady where they VIP all alone, they observe? She just say on one bottle water, she dey press her iPhone 13. One as a man don't send the boy, make him go tell the lady, say heavy Pablo won't see him. The lady no even cough. We see the watch. Pablo say, waiter, bring me a casket of Hennessy. I want me that broad girl where they ignore my call. Understand say Pablo na big name. The lady don't para. He say, waiter, export 6 bottles of Azul, come my table, and send extra 2 caskets of Hennessy, go Pablo table. He said, tell him that ladies are not smiling. My name is Nicky Posh. Pablo don't show.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKIng, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So make sure to stick to the very end, because trust me, this thing will make sense. Just trust me. If I tell you something, believe me, no doubt me. It will make sense, and it's not too long. You feel me? So once you watch, make sure to drop nice comments, subscribe if you never subscribe, and then share my video. It is necessary because YouTube they won't buy me. You feel me? So the play. Let's go have some fun.
We still talk about that one before you know the mama go get belle join now.
Man of God, good afternoon. I came as your call came in. You sounded very urgent on the phone. Hope my son has not committed any crime, please.
Which one come be your son? Don't leave me the commit.
Voila.
You see?
You mean my son put your daughter in the family way?
What the be this? What am I saying? If I see me,
Sweetheart! Hope is not what I'm thinking. You fired from all cylinders.
What you are thinking, bro?
Eh? You fired from all cylinders.
That's why I see myself for here.
Oh, Jesus.
Now, what carry you come police station?
No, my father.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Oh no, Papa, my son have the audacity to slap me, his father. Oh no, Papa, you see that hand that you used to slap me? That hand will put you in trouble in this life. That hand will put you in trouble. No worry. No worry.
How ordinary talk come carry you come station? No say Papa talk get power. Why they talk like that? You know give me that
Why slap me?
Oh boy!
Slap
You
the
get my
policeman.
slap police for this country. I bet my better shit from you before they go.
Hey!
Brother,
Hey!
slap me.
They say I go pay for trouble.
My God!
Oh my mama, my God.
Good afternoon, sir. Talkless.
Daddy, you know him.
Shut up your mouth.
Okay, don't cry.
I know him now.
This square dancer.
That's with the square. What is the break dance?
Please.
Hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. He's my new boyfriend.
Yes, sir. As you can see, your daughter is my new daughter.
Oh no.
I give you love in no
Oh no.
I like it. I like it.
As a matter of fact, I'm here for proper introduction. I want to come.
Come on, leave that in, Joe. You don't need it. I know you already, eh? Bring your people, come and marry our Saturday.
Just like that, sir.
Just like that.
Are you serious?
Daddy, just like
Keep
that.
quiet, what do you know?
You know,
Just
like,
like
you
that.
don't allow me to talk.
No problem, eh?
I need to take my leave now, sir. See you next week, Saturday.
I'll go. I'll see you too.
Sweetie, I'll call you when I get home, okay?
Okay, baby.
You don't allow me to talk. Hey! What's going on here?
How many times have I told you not to call me baby?
I'm sorry.
Do I look like all those Gen Z that you roll out with? What did I tell you to call me?
Let's have it.
Don't, oh, Daddy.
Go on,
My brother, what will she not be calling me?
She's gonna call you Papa on 9.
Nine.
Nah, your papa.
No
This
problem,
boy, you don't know me, oh.
my brother, I thought you really know how to dance to beat, oh. I didn't know you also know how to beat.
We they play with fire.
Come let me introduce you to something.
Hey!
I'm a wicked man. What was that for?
Shut up, man. The first time is for my daughter. The second one is for me.
Very wicked man. I feel black.
If you do me, I do you.
Let's have it.
Man.
Man, no go verse.
Very good.
If you do me, I do you. Man,
Man, no go verse. Crazy guys.
What the be this? What Hey!
No credit today, voila. My credit you won't come collect now, my dad.
Hey!
I get it.
No credit today, just a go.
Madam, what's the meaning of this one?
What do you resemble?
No credit today.
I know they say credit.
Just when you see me. I know why now. I won't give you one bottle of Prt2 energy drink, but because of this thing where you do something, I'll just carry go another place.
Oh yeah, wait. My customer, my Odogu customer, my real life G for this time.
I'll take your own.
I get it.
So, madam, I don't know whether you feel give me 3 mosquito coil. When I get money, I will give you.
This man!
You know they.
Give me my drink.
You don't take that bad part of Predator.
We just pray.
Which kind of country we dey? What did they worry Nigeria youth?
Aye. Stop, I beg.
mercy upon us.
Nebo, eh? Nebo! How you doing? How you doing now? I just moved in now. And I just see you now. I'm like,
Jesus. You said what? I didn't hear
you
you.
be young boy and I be young boy and I go like make you show me around because I know Sabi anyway.
Jesus.
Nebo, what do they do now? Talk to me now. No contents I they do now. This is where they see na contents and why you go overtake us serious now?
You like woman. Don't tell my guy to sacrifice.
Jesus, Nebo, not joke, I dey joke now. Please don't do this.
Why these people say fake lighter for me now?
Jesus.
You don't be for you now, danger you did.
Everybody in this house,
the
lie
wrong
down now. Lie down. Bring out all the money in this house now.
There's no money in this house.
You dey whine me?
See, it will be better for you guys to bring out all the money because this guy, he's wicked. He's gonna kill
My
you.
blood dey hot. You guys are whining me, eh? You guys are whining me. Bring out all the money in this house.
Oh, do you have any money in this house that we don't know about?
How now? No, now. The last money we had, we used it to buy food stuff.
Shut up! Oh! See, eh? I will go upstairs, and if I find any money in this house, you all are dead. Tracy!
You
Just
never
stay
ready.
and man these people.
You never ready to stay.
Let me
like
just
me.
go upstairs.
See who you say when you man them.
Tracy.
What?
Is Tracy really your name?
Yes, now.
That's a very beautiful name.
You don't open your face.
Why would Tracy be doing this? This does not look good on you now.
Doing what?
Robbing a house, robbing
No,
a
oh,
house.
because
Doesn't
my
look
name
good
is
on
Tracy,
you.
I cannot rob. I have other name. Oh. My name is Scorpion. Oh.
Forget that one. Look at your pink bandana.
Like,
Flowery shirt. You're wearing a white straw. You look so bright.
You are really in the wrong occupation. That's what you want to tell me.
I have a cough.
Now,
Hello?
woman. Now, woman. Ring Tony.
I'm coming. I'm in the middle of a robbery operation right now. Yeah, I'll come and meet you guys at the ice cream shop. All right, ciao. Take care. Bye.
Tracy. You're using a pink phone. Wow. Do you know how long I've been looking for pink phones to buy? You will connect me to your plug. Come on, sit down.
Is it a pure vibe?
On sisters.
you're lagging. I caught you.
Go, girl.
Mumwe can rob.
Tracy! What's the meaning of this one now? You dey sit down with clients. You dey sit down with people who go collect money from. I don't know wahala with your pink bandana.
They're the one that said I should come and join them.
Leave him. Let him go. We are going to have some fun.
Let's see a movie, girl. Have you seen Straw? No. Let's watch it together and cry together. Bring the remote.
Momo.
Okay, now you be servant.
Now you really be servant, what the? Oh God, this guy Mumu.
Ogo, how far now, Ogo? How they be now? You don't remember this face?
I know you need show.
For quick class now. That day when they do clubbing. Now your table day beside my table that day. You don't understand? When I day with all the Yamolio, the Pocolio, the Bruce, the Gently. And one of the bottles now. You know the bottles on bottles that night now. I'm a big boy now. So I need your help like this knee. Now one of my smallest motor be that white Camry. 13 million. I buy that motor. You don't understand? So but like it gets you like this and mechanic tell me say now 5K they will just use check 1 or 2 for there. Yamoli go on. I they call for that side. Say me do 5K for me, but you know say. Everybody know the general, big boy, as big boy, dollar, pound sterling, euros, the rams, all those kind of things we get. So I don't know if you do me 5K, make I use do this motto. Don't worry, this night, Secret Palace with Bonner Boy, Big 7, you know understand?
No, I get cash on my account.
Okay, you said get motto. You said I be benefit boy. When I 2020, don't collect all this money now. You got that. But we shall be carry out for your motto. Don't worry, you go meet Big 7 this night. You say. Now you can't be this. You won't come in this room my own shot. I wait now. Oh, teach you you don't do that 5K for me now. I'll go. I'm a big boy. Don't worry. You go meet Bonner Boy this night.
Guys, you don't near my car before I pass kill you.
Okay, calm down. I'll go. Oh, the shape I'm a big boy, bro. The wine. Money now can hear. I drop me for front. I go and drop me for front. Make I play for front.
Come up for a girl.
I'll go. Puna now. I'll go.
Now before you get,
I'm a big boy.
I'm a big boy before.
Bali ra bali. Chai. Saho rahu bali.
Never see this guy since that time.
Jesus.
And he knows to catch up. After all the time when you went,
so we can smile. Oh, Mama Sita with a 3-bed seater. You remind me of my shatarata that sells out. I don't know if I can get your snap or something. You know, they call me Oluchase. You know, just get your snap or something still.
Oluchase.
What's wrong?
You want my snap? Wait, what phone is this?
It's an iPhone X now.
You want my snap with an iPhone X? Are you serious?
Am I serious?
I don't give my snap to you.
Okay, understand, Ghana girls. Okay, you guys don't give your snaps. Okay, I have iPhone 13. I even have iPhone 15 too. Which one do you want? 3 camera, right? Yeah, put your snap here. Put it. So that's how you guys are, right? You don't value iPhone X users. Don't worry, they'll soon use you for Ogunwo, you will get it. That's your snap. Oh yeah, now stay cheesed up now, mama. Jesus wept. Oh my God, shake it up. You say you can't back me. So you're not a backer fan, right? I think you say you don't used to eat much.
It's something light.
It's something light.
Is this a lot?
Okay, Charlie. Okay, Charlie, wow. Something light.
This guy goes just talk nonsense.
You're so beautiful and you're not yet a fool. Oh my gosh. Charlie. Your name should be Charlie. 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 Wait a second. How much is the bill? 7,000. Huh?
You sure say you calculate it, eh?
Kilantia.
What do you mean by Kilantia? I know the one that...
Killer does not pay. I was just helping you to lift it now. Kilantia.
Why do you ask how much is the bill if you're not going to pay?
Huh?
Why do you ask how much?
Killer does not pay. Pay your thing and let's go. See all the things that you bought. I should pay for it. Because you got the Bakasi, right? Just say you get back car seat, think you can achieve everything. Oh yeah,
I
now
was
stay cheese up.
You say I was only
Carry your thing and meet me outside, okay? Kill and chia. Kill and chia.
I gotta get man.
I'm coming. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Go check it, you know they hard one to the check phone.
Come on, baby, let's have it. Jesus.
You don't wear police clothes. You don't wear police clothes.
Women.
Babe, can you be past my phone?
Oh, you forgot your phone? Oh, I didn't know.
Thank you. Don't worry.
This boy is going to leave me. It's not possible.
Hello, babe. Can you imagine that this man is sleeping beside me and he's smiling? I'm sure he's talking to one girl in his dreams already. And I'm here, oh.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
What happened?
Do you have anything on my head?
No, I think it's a dream. Don't go back to bed. Sorry. Sorry, go back to bed. Okay.
My friend Pani hit on my head.
Offer him, go to marry another girl, eh? I will kill him, kill myself.
What are you doing here? Now! Are you mad? I said you kneel down. Kneel down!
Babe.
What?
What's going on?
What do you mean by what's going on? Shank took not to employ a nanny. You not try to employ a nanny. You not employ the one that has cash.
Babe, that's not a nanny.
Then who is she?
That's my sister.
You see?
You? What's going on here?
Who are you?
Babe, that's her boyfriend. Babe, stand up!
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
You're not going to that. Frog John, tell it to Hey! See Nash!
Man!
When I don't take Nash, give me for you, I beg.
70 years old, man.
Ogamo, how you dey? Okay, take this food there. Go and buy it.
This one go chop the food.
Okay.
And please, I don't waste time.
I
You go chop
doesn't
am,
like
no
her
worry.
order being delayed.
I know, I know go waste.
I beg go.
Shemina, that address so you send give me.
That's same address now.
No problem. I go
Oh yeah, go pick it.
I go. Hey, madam, you never.
I go see you now.
Eh.
Not today. Oh yeah, wait, man, open gate for you. They go. I beg
Where you
they
go
go.
chop?
No waste time.
Later you go send the money.
I get your
I
account.
want
Go
to
send
see
the
Nash.
money. They go.
You don't leave the food for you.
Wait, oh, I forget this one. Hey, God. Ogamo.
You go cry.
Ogamo.
Let's have it.
Ogamo.
Hey.
What did they do?
Chop right.
Food one say make you go give me 16 and then you chop. That's what you're eating.
Very wicked man.
Madam, you quick come outside, though. You no go vex.
I quick come outside.
Now what for you, bro?
I quick come outside. You go hear him. Go. Today, when I finish with you today, Oh wait, make I call DPO for you. Hold on.
You don't go wrong.
Because I don't know why.
They chop the other one.
And now Rodriguez. Distributing him.
President General.
Every day you're playing this game. Every day you're playing this game. You don't have any time for me. Is it that you're playing this game or me? Choose one.
But I'm playing the both of you.
Okay, shooting again.
Who be that fine lady where they VIP all alone they observe? She just say on one bottle water, she dey press her iPhone 13. One as a man don't send the boy, make him go tell the lady, say heavy Pablo won't see him. The lady no even cough. We see the watch. Pablo say, waiter, bring me a casket of Hennessy. I want me that broad girl where they ignore my call. Understand say Pablo na big name. The lady don't para. He say, waiter, export 6 bottles of Azul, come my table, and send extra 2 caskets of Hennessy, go Pablo table. He said, tell him that ladies are not smiling. My name is Nicky Posh.
Nicky
Pablo don't
Posh,
shock, oh.
I see. Yeah, this thing no finish. I feel like what you have finished. You no finish, I beg. I dey like girls wey get doings, you know. I dey like ladies wey get doings, you know. That's why they shock me. You see, do you have such girlfriends? Do you have such wife? I would like to know, you know. Just tell me. So thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And make sure you're subscribed. If you want to see stuff like this, make sure you're subscribed. And check out my other videos. There's so many of them in my channel. Check them out. Subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my video. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.